finished putting the LEDs in my wife's 2017 Rogue. I'll just put on the driving lights. It's just the driving lights. Driving lights have the fans on them. The high beams do not. They're a bit different style. And there's the high beams. Very bright. Much better than the factory bulbs that were in the vehicle. And there, the timer just ran out for that. Back to auto. I still gotta do the fog lights. They're still regular style fog lights. But I'm waiting on my wiring harness for those. I'll have to pull apart that panel there to be able to install them. These ones I was able to do from above. Had to remove part of the air box. Gross. Upon doing so, I realized how dirty the filter was. It looked significantly worse than that before I took the compressor to it and blew it out. So I had to take part of the airbox assembly off from here. There's part of it there. This side was more or less a straight shot down. There are, however, on the high beams, these caps that go over them. With the style that I got, these will not fit back over. But I had to get the braided style of LED lights. You can see part of the LED back there. Give the same path. But other than that, this vehicle's pretty nice overall. It might be hard to hear me right now because the compressor's on. But this really cool big moon roof on it. Most of the roof is like glass or something. I suppose not the greatest if it was gonna roll over or anything, but other than that, it's pretty cool. Pretty good on fuel mileage, a lot more space. It's only the little 2.5 liter motor. Still got pretty good getty up and go. It's the all-wheel drive edition, so great for winter. Even though the tires aren't the best on it right now. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this thing back together, but that's all I got for now with this. Got these lights done up here, so on to the fog light ones once my connecting harnesses to work with my other LED kit comes in from Amazon or eBay, whichever one I ordered it from.